Hey man, y'all remember that bitch, bro? The bitch with the one leg, bro. The bitch with the one leg. I can't remember the bitch name, but the bitch can suck a mean motherfucking dick, bro. I'm telling you.
That's like little brother done got down yoke flea up around the corner. But I fuck around and strike got down tick.
Guys, fuck out here. Smoking all this weed.
What the hell you said we were doing again?
See if I'm real quick, bro.
Yeah, those folk got down, fucked around and got flea ass.
Yeah, shawty. Y'all just trying to see what that leg was feeling like. I don't give a fuck what nobody say, bro. That bitch can suck a mean dick, bro. I am Dirty Dad. I am the real Dirty Dad. I'm talking about put the stamp on me. I am him. I'm talking about for real. If I grab her one leg, having sex, will it come off? Thing slide right out there.